Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create a Figma menu animation. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. For today's video, what we will be creating is this type of animation where you can normally see this on your either your application on your mobile phone or into a website that you will be going to. So what we will be creating here to begin is log in into your Figma account and click on create new design. First thing that we will do is add a rectangle. Next is we will be adding a square. So this will be the more like the indication, or this is how we'll be emphasizing that you are currently in that page that you are browsing, or you are currently on one of the menus on that specific software or platform. So here I'll be creating another rectangle that's the similar color, or square rather, that's similar color as the long rectangle that we created. And then on plugins, you just search for icon docs so that we will be able to add icons into our menu bar. So here what we'll do is that on the left side panel, you need to pull out the vectors out of the icon doc group so that you will be able to modify and change it later on. Here, so you just need to position the icons and resize it to make sure that it would fit into the menu bar and on the box as well. Here, so I can hide the emphasis box first, and then I will just make sure that I'll be able to lay out these icons equally here, or position them equally with equal spaces rather. So here I unhid the box, and then I'll just position the first icon here, which is send icon. I will position it inside the box, and I will change the color of the icon as well. So what we will do here is that we just need to click on that group and then just click, or on your keyboard if you are using MacBook, you need to click on option and then drag into that specific frame. And then if you are using Windows, you just need to click on Alt and then drag. So you need to make sure here that for each boxes or each type of menus that we created, you need to have it in different frames. So you can highlight and then rename the frames here. Make sure those three menus have different frame names as well. So what we will do here is that on this right side panel of the screen, click on prototype. And then from the prototype, what you will do is that just click on one of the icon from the first frame, and then just put it into the second frame. And then you just do that to all of the frames that we created earlier. And make sure as well on the settings for the animation, it should be smart animation, and then on click, and then make sure that it is on 800 milliseconds or milliseconds as the speed of the animation. So make sure that the animation comes in both ways, and what you will do here is that just click on asset and then create another rectangle and then drop the asset into that specific frame that you created, and then you can just go ahead and click on preview. That's on the upper right corner, that's the play icon, and you will be able to view the animation that you created. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.